Hi everybody! Look who is here today.
There.
Look at this.
It's right there.
Shit. He's still alive.
I was coming this way, right?
Yeah.
Coming this way, so I was going like this. The first guy turned left, and instead of this guy stopping, he just went in and he hit me like that.
Oh my gosh.
And then the bike went that way, and I went that way.
This is a good explanation.
It's a good explanation. The cops said that the bike wasn't even on the road. They said they found the bike in the parking lot next door.
In the parking lot.
In the parking lot.
Your hands on the floor?
Well, I went down like this, and then I got up, and then couldn't feel my thumbs. I couldn't even get my gloves off. And then I looked at the car, and I looked at my bike, and it was just like, oh my god. And then I kind of crawled towards the sidewalk, kind of sat down, and then the fire trucks came, and they took my gloves off, and then that's when I found out both of my thumbs were broken.
How you feel now?
Feel now, I'd say about a 5 out of 10. If I take the drugs, I'll be a 9 out of 10. Painkillers are wonderful.
And how you feel they pay you without working?
It's okay, I guess, but it's not forever. There is a time limit they put on it. You're only allowed to do it for 3 months.
Yeah.
And then after that, you got to prove why you have to go longer. But I'll be back before the 3-month mark.
Well,
I know I had a choice in colors too. I had blue, pink, black, white. I went with blue.
oh, that's nice.
He's really happy you got it.
That's nice.
Bunch of fun stuff here. Get the horseshoes.
What is that?
Horseshoes.
For what?
You put the stake in the ground and you throw these at the stake. Lawn darts even more dangerous.
Yeah?
Yeah. People have died playing that.
Good for that.
Have you seen one of these?
No.
So you take it out and stretch it out. And you throw it up in the air.
Yes.
And you suck in the air and it forms that shape and then you jump on top.
Yeah. It's a bed.
Yeah. So you freeze the balls. Yes, that's what they are.
You freeze the balls?
You freeze the balls.
And then?
Put either like scotch or rye in, and then you put the balls back in. So the balls cool off the alcohol without using ice.
Nice.
Because if you put ice, the water melts and it gets into the alcohol and dilutes it. So the balls don't do that. So those are. Get bigger balls.
You have a bigger ball.
Get bigger balls. Right, you get bigger balls. You should buy one of these too. Just put it in your car. Somebody cuts you off.
Yeah, you know what's dangerous?
Had somebody come in. You know what? I went down south, visited my grandfather, came back. And I'm like 2 minutes into Brampton, and somebody already cut me off. And I was like, what the hell? Signage tag.
No.
You know what that stands for? Royal Canadian Air Force.
Oh yeah?
Yep. RCAF.
Look, my black friend. Obama.
Oh my god. You want some reading socks?
Reading socks?
Yeah. I think they'll go up too.
Do up to here?
Yeah, I think so. I think that would actually reach that. I like socks. I'm wearing a pair like that right now. See?
Oh yeah.
Cool socks.
You look like a clown.
I didn't wear my knee-high socks today. I'm sorry. I couldn't get them on. I don't have thumbs. You know how hard it is with socks on? You don't have thumbs? Mom knows a lot, but Grandma knows everything.
That's funny.
See, you're doing something little piece. Don't make use of my teacher voice.
What?
Don't make use of my teacher voice. Am I speaking loudly and yelling? Oh, these are good. This is Swiss store in Spur one. They make really good gummy bears and stuff. These are like the best in the world. I love them.
Yeah, but gummy bears are not good. It's made of a pig.
Vegan.
Oh, okay.
They use a vegan formula, so they got a whole vegan section there.
Oh,
These are really good. They're expensive, but they're good.
Yeah.
But you want the Spur one? The Swiss store.
Yeah, funny. Oh, how to be a model princess.
You should buy that for Ricky.
For Ricky? I didn't say anything, Ricky. It was him.
Ooh, that's okay.
What? This is stupid.
When's Ricky's birthday? Ways to maximize your productivity. Chapter 1. Getting your mojo back. Chapter 2. Building your brand. Chapter 3. Public speaking 101. Money talks. Yeah, this is a good book for him.
For him?
Yeah, definitely.
So we have his gift already.
Yeah, definitely. Getting your mojo back. That'd be a good chapter.
Oh, look at Tutu. Derek, with your hands. Look at that.
Thumbs up, 2 thumbs up today.
Well, you have to, no choice.
I can do thumbs down. Just looks stupid and awkward, that's all. And it's like maybe thumbs.
So, thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And see you in my next video with this crazy guy. Thank you very much to be here, Derek. And see you in my next video. Bye.
Bye.